right, here's 1729 Horseshoe Circle. It's a duplex side. Let's go take a gander. You got this huge, beautiful tree on your walk up. Garbage cans will be in the garage. It is a 1-car garage. This is roughly 1,000 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, duplex side. You have the vinyl plank flooring. You have a stone fireplace, ceiling fan on right when you come in. Here's a coat closet. That's what a coat closet looks like. All right, where do you want to go first? This is your breakfast area. Let's go to the left. This is a linen closet, shelf. This is your HVAC. Boom, it's a 2014. Guest bathroom. Good and clean. Boom. Here is the garage, 1-car garage. They are partitioned walls, so nice and deep. And then that's a water heater closet, but got a little room for storage there, and it's separated from the neighbor. So over here is the first bedroom number 1. You got a little area there for maybe a little shelf or kid toys or a desk or something. Closet. Racks. All right. Here's the other bedroom. Nice and big. I would say that this is roughly 10 by 9. Ceiling fans in every room. Here's your closet. Yep, that's what a closet looks like. And then you got a little bit bigger of a place for your shelf or your desk or things. And then, so there's no carpet in this house. It is all vinyl plank throughout and some tile. Here's your kitchen. This is a laminate counter. You got white appliances, gas. Refrigerator is included. It's clean. It's spotless. Ready for your food. Here's your pantry. In-unit utilities, washer and dryer. Here's the shot from this side. All right, and here's your, we'll go to this outside before we go to the master. All right, here's got a little crack there, but that's no big deal. It's a rental. Nice spacious yard, very high. This is an 8-foot fence. Huge yard for a duplex. It's big. Fence is not new, but it's in really good shape. Recently replaced. Got a little side yard there too. Sub-metered, so you pay your own electric. Oh, this is included too. Look, I can split it with my hand and then it comes open. Let me lock that up. All right, and here we go. Let's take a look at the primary bedroom. It's on the right side. Ceiling fan in here too, very spacious. I'd say that this is probably 13 by 12, about, roughly. Here's the closet. Not huge, but enough space for 2. And then let me hit you with this side, this angle. And then here's the bathroom, master bathroom, primary bathroom, also clean. And then you got your vanity, and there I am. All right. And that is 1729 Horseshoe Circle. Apply today.